Bhagavad Gita, second chapter, first verse. Sanjaya said, Arjuna was filled with compassion. His eyes were filled with tears. He was overwhelmed by deep sorrow. At that moment, Lord Krishna began to speak to him. Even in our lives, there are moments when pain, fear, and attachments cloud our judgment. At such times, we must not sink into sorrow. Instead, we should take a step towards wisdom because it is not tears that change our lives, it is wisdom. And sometimes the place where sorrow ends is exactly where wisdom begins.